now. Welcome to the Hyatt Regency Orlando Airport Hotel. I'm going to take you on a quick room tour of room 9037. This is a king-size room. Let's go ahead and start with a view of the floor on the map on the back of the door here. You can see the elevators are here, and it's just a jaunt around the corner to one of the outside rooms. We did ask for a room that was close to the elevator, and this was as close as we could get on a non-busy weekend. When you first walk in, you're greeted by a large mirror and an open closet system. Here on the wall, I thought this was kind of clever. You have a coat hook with the hooks that pull out. There's plenty of room for your hats and coats. Here is another view again of the open closet. It has a couple of drawers down here. Open and airy for all of your dirty laundry. When you open up the little cubby here, you'll find an ironing board. An iron there on the floor. It's nice and lighted. There is another light here above the hangers, but we weren't able to figure out how to turn that on. Alright, so let's go in the room. This is apparently a connecting room. When you walk in, the first thing you see is this giant TV. This beautiful entertainment center floating on the wall. Further down here we have a nice modern desk. Comfy looking chair. The desk here, some information about the hotel. They do have a restaurant here. A lamp here with USB and power. Nice mirror. Over here is your bar area. There is a safe here. Some extra linens. A coffee maker. Water. And a refrigerator with a neat, clear door. The seating area over here features a sofa with a nice large table, which is perfect for dining. Plenty of lighting. There is a ceiling fan. There's also lighting over the bed, some reading lights. And it appears this is a lamp as well. Very bright. The nightstand. Again, you have plenty of power and USB. Telephone. It even comes with some earplugs to drown out some of the airplane noise. Not that we've heard any. The wallpaper is very pretty. On the other nightstand, you also have the power and USB, an iHome radio system. Looks like both sides of the bed can turn that light on and off. The bed itself, it's got some plain sheeting, but looks otherwise pretty comfortable. Let's go ahead and check out the bathroom. The door, of course, has a modern glass panel. Hello. The toilet area. Lots of towels. A hook up there for your wet towel or robe. I'm not sure, I didn't see any robes though. We have some toiletries here. Some body lotion and soap. Nice lighted mirror. It does, I don't know if you can see that in the video, but it does have the clock in there. I did notice whatever this is here dripping into the sink. Here's the shower. More toiletries up there in the corner. Very large shower head. Let's check out the pressure. Looks like you can adjust it. pressure isn't the best, but it's not bad. Very nice shower curtain. And then the last thing...
I found the light switch.
Ah, the light switch. Tom has found it at last. There you go. That tiny little button down there. What were they thinking? Alright, there's also lighting under the bed, which is great. Alright, so last thing, if you can actually get to it, is the balcony. Oh, it's a door. Alright. There's some lighting out here, so you can sit out here late at night, watch the planes go by.
Can you even see planes? I think this is a parking lot.
Alright, we hope you've enjoyed the tour of this Hyatt. It is a fantastic hotel, so conveniently located right above the main lobby of the airport. We've stayed here several times, never in a room that's been renovated this beautifully, so congratulations to the Hyatt on a great room. The hotel also has wonderful amenities like a pool and a gym and all that jazz. So if you're interested, take a look online. Again, it is the Hyatt Regency Orlando Airport. And that'll do it for today. Take care. See you around.